Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice Excel, or you can say Power BI cleaning function. Yeah, so this is the most important and essential part of Excel and Power BI if you are the one wants to grow in your career for professional and working. Regarding, guys, it will be very helpful for your learning journey and your career. So if you are interested, then don't think much. Start practicing with me, and yeah, let's get without delaying. We are going to start practice. And let me inform one thing, guys, that here I am also learning and practicing, and while practicing, I keep sharing with all of you guys. So and if you are interested to grow in your career, then I will be there to help you out. So if you want to do something in your career or in your life, then start learning from today. And yeah, nothing than that. So keep watching and keep learning. Here we are going to start. So guys, this is our screen, and we are going to practice Excel or Power BI cleaning function. How we can clean any text, and these functions we are called text function. Are you watching, guys? Here is some, and remaining to be learned. We will discuss later. But for today, this we are going to learn. These all are the text function, and it will be helpful in cleaning on our Power BI or Excel. So how it could be, let's see. First of all, this is our data set. Okay, this is our data, and as you are watching here, it is not looking like a table. So first thing is there, we will convert it into table. And how it could be, just select like this and control T. You have to press control T. Just keep in your mind control T, and this dialog box will open, and you have to click OK. Are you watching, guys? It has been converted in a table form. So right now it will be helpful to work on it. So what should we do? We will learn today left function, right, mid, trim, len, lower, upper, and proper. Okay, so left, what is the meaning of left? As it these are text. Okay, these are text on table, and there are so many impurities available. Means here is space, and as it is sort right now, this is table sort, and while working you will get thousand and million data set, and you will have to clean in once all the thousands column or rows. So how it could be, so let's we learn from today's session. So how it could be clean the space and the double quotation. If we want to remove, then how it could be, and if we want to change the small case into uppercase and uppercase into lowercase, then how it could be, let's we see. So first function is left. Okay, guys, so just click where you want to work. Just click here. I'm clicking here. Okay, left, first function is left. So left, first of all, selecting that cell, just click is equal to, then left, LEFT, and here it is showing in list. You just have to select there, just select after clicking, then here it is showing you. Are you watching, guys? You will have to select the cell, as they are asking left text, which text you want to clean. Means which you want. Left means we will get the left character from the left table. Okay, And before that I would like to tell you one thing, guys, that these are all our text function. What is text function? When we work on any text number like this, Sushma Verma, Rahul Kumar, Priya Kumari, so these all are written in text, not in numerical. So when we work any kind of text and cleaning function on text, and what function it is required to work on text, that is called text function. Here it is written which one is left, right, mid, trim, len, upper, lower and proper. So first one is left. From by using left, what we will get? We will get the left character. Get character from the left. We will get from the character from the left. Let's see how it could be. So as we have selected here left, then asking text, go select the text. Here it is first text name is Sushma, so we are going to select this one. After selecting, it has been written here the cell number C4. Are you watching, guys? C4, as here it is C, column number C, Sushma Verma, column number C, and the row number is here 3, not 4. 4, row number is 4. Okay, that is the reason here it is written C4. Okay, so in C4 we have selected, my name is written in C4 row and column. This is the text of C4 text. In C4, in C4 after selecting, they are saying that just click or put comma. So we will give comma, then num characters, means asking that what kind, how many characters you want to get from left, how many characters from left you want to extract or get. Then I want 4, then I have written here 4. Okay, after 4 you don't have to just, they are not asking anything, it is enough, formula is finally done. Then just click enter. What happened, guys? I think it has been taken in the near the table, so it is not working properly. I am going to delete and I am going to work here. First of all, let me delete this cell. This column I want to delete. Where is delete? Why it is not showing? Delete. First one was there, I have deleted that one, and right now I am performing here is equal to left L. This is revision, guys, it will be helpful for you, so try to focus in there. Click left, then go select the cell name where your name is written, and then comma, then how many characters you want to get from that name. Just write 4 and it has been completed, and enter. Why it is not working? I think here it is space, that is the reason it is not working. I am removing the space. Okay, right now it will work. As after removing, are you watching, guys? It is working. Shush, the 4 character. After clicking, I will show you here. I am going to, yeah, the formula is left, the cell C4, this is C and row 4, Sushma Verma, and from there I like to get 4 character left, from left function is working from the left. So left, from the left we will count SUSH 4, that is 4. So it is showing here SUSH 4 character. and if we write here 5, then it will give 5 character from left. One second. So it will give, and then enter. So it is giving you from left side the 5 character. So are you watching, guys? This is left function, likewise right function. Okay, so how will it work? Is equal to, if there will be any kind of space, then it will not work, as you have observed. So right now is equal to right, R I G H T. So right, then go select again, and then comma, and then how many characters from right. So I want just only 4 or 3, and enter. RMA. So in last from right side, from this right side, AMR, RMA 3, RMA 3, Verma RMA 3. So are you guys watching, guys? This is left, this is right, and from mid is equal to MID. Okay, mid. So in mid, what we want to, from middle we will get character. The character from middle we will get. If you want to extract the character from middle, then how it could be? First of all, select the cell, then comma again, and start number. I am giving 2, and end number giving 6, not 6, comma 5. Start number and number characters. So I have given, and just enter. So from second to 5, from Sushma second to 5, it is giving USHMA, Ushma, US. The second one is, second number is U, and 5 number 1 2 3 4 5, A. 1 2 3 4 5 means 2 to 5 it will give from middle. What we have written, from 2 to 5, then from middle it will give 2 to 5 character. Okay, and then len is equal to LEN is equal to len. So right click, just select len, and then text, asking text. So len, what will len do? What is the function of len? Just enter. 12 means it counts characters. What is the function of len? It counts characters. How many characters are there in the name? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It is counting space also, guys. Are you watching? In Sushma there is 6 character, and 1 2 3 4 5. In Burma there is 5 character, and in between there is a space, that is also counting by using len. So len counts the characters with space. Okay, and the lower, how it lower works, is equal to LOWER, lower, and just select this one. It will give you the proper result. That is the reason I select. And text, and just bracket has been closed, so we have to just, as it will not work because it is already written in lower case, guys. Sushma Roma is already written in lower case, so I am going to change this one. C4, this time I am going to select this one, Amit Singh. Okay, as Rahul Kumar and Sushma is in short in lower alphabet, so it will not work. We will have to select this one, Amit Singh. It is in upper case, the first letter is in upper, so just select upper, mixing and enter. Just enter. Are you watching, guys? It has been converted into sort in lower, as we have applied lower function, so it has been converted. Here it is written in cap, capital, in capital letter, caps letter, uppercase A, but it has been converted in small a after using lower. Likewise, we will have to apply upper is equal to U P P E R. So just select upper. It has been selected, and in upper we will select Sushma Verma as it is in lowercase. So just enter. Then it has been converted in uppercase, guys. Are you watching? Totally in capital letter, in uppercase, all the character. And after using proper is equal to P R O P. It is showing here. Just select this one, and asking text, go select the text and enter. So in proper, what is showing here, it has been in the proper, not in only small lowercase, not only proper, not only uppercase. The first letter will upper, and all the add. It is the best rule that the first letter of any word should be in capital. So it is proper case. The name should be in proper. That is called proper name. Means first letter will be capital and all will be remaining all in small letter, in lower case. The title same as it is first letter capital and the remaining are in small letter. So that's how we will clean any data in Power BI or any Excel. If you want to create dashboards and want to work in any data set, it will be very helpful, guys, cleaning function. And not only that, if you are going to learn Excel from basics, then it will be very helpful anyhow, for student, working professional, for everyone. So guys, keep watching, keep learning, and keep practicing throughout the week. It will be very helpful. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next video.